The government has given in to private bus operators' demands that buses be permitted to ply the newly opened Southern Expressway. Now, how do you view this decision? What are its implications for other motorists?
Well, first of all, looking at the way the Southern Expressway usage has gone up in the recent past, in the short few weeks since it has been opened, there is, of course, a lot of enthusiasm about it. There is a lot of traffic now on that, including tourists are finding it an easy gateway to the south and are able to go a lot beyond Galle. Now, given that kind of context and given the kind of speeds and the no place really to stop, having large buses on 2 lanes each side does create a little bit of an issue, especially from the viewpoint of road discipline or traffic discipline. And therefore, while the government has yielded into the demand, I think it again behooves the government to set in place certain checks which ensure that safety norms are adhered to, because the potential of fatalities or just accidents to people, not just to the bus passengers itself, but to the other motorists, can be pretty catastrophic. So it's a mixed bag right now. From the public's point of view, it actually allows them a faster access to Galle and further. So from the point of view of the traveling public who are not able to afford their own vehicles, it's a great step. But it does come with its risks.